is Cicada class. 我的素宝们，上课喽！And today is Monday, October 14th. Today is Monday, October 14th, and I had a really busy day today. Actually, I'm recording the video and today is Sunday, but I had a really busy day. I woke up this morning around 9 and then I had a tutor class at 10:30. Afterwards, there was another tutor class at 2 and then there was another tutor class at 5. So I was like running to tutor from tutor class. So Teacher Sue was outside. Like it was hot today. And so, yeah, very sunny and then, it was tiring. And then when I came back home, I quickly ate dinner. After I ate dinner, I watched some Korean dramas on Netflix. Do you guys watch Netflix? 你们有在看 Netflix 吗？还是现在可能你们没有时间，没有办法。可是如果你开始有在看 Netflix 的话，真的好花时间哦！我一看就停不下来了，就是我一看2-3集，然后我就一直想要把它看完。我的个性就是 ，Oh my God! If I started something on Netflix, I have to finish it in 2 days. 然后最近 Teacher Sue 在做一个美剧，叫 Nobody Wants This. Nobody wants this, and they speak all in English, of course. So it's easy for me to listen to, and it is a great story. It is a love story, actually. 是爱情故事 and yeah, 在美国现在很行，yeah, 在讲一个犹太人，一个男生他是犹太人，然后跟一个女生她是比较开放式的，她是有他自己的 podcast， 然后他们怎么约会，然后在一起。然后犹太人在美国是非常一个保守的一种应该是说一种 religion. I don't know how to say that in Chinese. Like 一个信仰吧，一种族群的人。So it's about them two meeting together and how they fall in love. All right. Well, enough about that. All right. I graded your quizzes. 我已经把小考通通改完了。然后我想要说这件事其实还 OK 啦。There are 4 people that got 100. So I was pretty happy about that. 4 people that got 100. But the rest of you, 就是我觉得错的，比如说我跟你叮咛说，比如说 hopscotch 那个要注意，然后还是有人错。然后比如说 feed 也有人错 ，OK tour 也有人错 ，OK go camping 的 camping 也有人错，chalk you know Teacher Sue 会在1楼教书的时候会用那个白板用的那个 chalk 粉笔，也有人拼错。我都已经有叮咛你们咯，表示说你们要再多复习。我是说错那些字的人，表示 you know I'm giving you good advice, so you guys should listen to my advice all the time. All right, so of course we're going to review the words for this unit again, and then go over the flashcards again, and then go over just saying the sentences more fluently. 就是我觉得要练习一个东西，就是要把一个句子练得熟，练得习惯，然后你就自然而然会知道它的顺序怎么排法，而且念的也比较自然嘛，对不对？ Alright, so let's go. I just noticed that my first introduction to this video, I was very high. Like I was so hyperactive and my voice was so loud that I gotta calm it down a bit. Namaste, omitofu. Alright, I gotta calm myself down. I don't want to be like, wah, wah, like screaming all over the place in the video. Alright, so here we go. Before I want to start, 我发现我的刘海好短哦。Teacher Sue 前2天自己剪刘海，我就这样子，然后我就这样自己剪，然后剪了，我觉得好像太短了，好像我是故意没有剪齐的啦，然后我是故意这样子斜斜的 in diagonally coming down, but 我现在觉得拍影片怎么这么短啊？I hope it grows out fast. All right, let's go over the vocabulary words again together for spelling. All right, so lemonade. Spell it. Ice cubes. Spell it. Actually, say it out loud. Come on, tour. Poster. Hopscotch. Chalk. All right, here we go. Moving on to the flashcards on page 20 in your student book. Again, let's say it together. Ready, set, go. Number 1. Would you like to feed the ducks? Sure, I'd love to. Okay, we'll need bread and sunglasses. Number 2, 跟我一起念，不要懒惰。Number 2, would you like to make bracelets? Sure, I'd love to. Okay, we'll need beads and a string. Number 3, would you like to go to the horse races? Sure, I'd love to. Okay, we'll need cushions and binoculars. Number 4, would you like to go surfing? Thanks, but I can't. I have to mow the lawn. Number 5, would you like to go camping? Sure, I'd love to. Okay, we'll need flashlights and a tent. Number 6, would you like to go to the zoo? Thanks, but I can't. I have to wash the dishes. All right, so here we go, going on to page 22. 我知道我礼拜五的时候在上课的时候 we went over this in class, but it's good to like practice saying it more and more times. So I want you to go to page 22 right now and let's practice it together, starting with number 1. All right, ready? Get set, go. Would you like to go to the horse races with me? Thanks, but I can't. I have to mow the lawn. Would you like to play hopscotch with me? Sure, I'd love to. Okay, we'll need some chalk and a few stones. I 的部分哦 let's practice 这个小对话 A, B, A, B. All right, so ready, get set, go. Would you like to go surfing next weekend? Thanks, but I can't. I am going to go camping with my family. Would you like to go camping with us? Sure, I'd love to. Okay, we'll need a tent and a flashlight. All right, hopefully you read that out loud. Teacher Sue 真的都很鼓励你们讲出来，不要只有用眼睛看，因为眼睛看通常就扫过去而已，而且这样子你都不知道你讲英文的就是那个口音啊怎么样，还有那个节奏好不好 All right, bonus question time. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, so what I want you to do is go to page 22, and on top of page 22, you need to write down what I say. 然后会有奖励哦 Okay, so I advise you to write it down. And 我觉得我要说的这个问题还蛮实用的 OK, 我刚刚念过的在课本里面我觉得我在课堂上讲过了嘛，比如说 horse races 我们大家也不会去看啊， it's all about gambling 就是赌博。 Hopscotch you think is too childish, 你们都觉得太小孩子了，但我也现在很少玩 hopscotch, right? Surfing, I don't know how to surf.Okay, I'm afraid of the ocean. 我有一点点怕海边，因为 teacher 是告诉你，我其实还蛮怕踩不到地的那种地方，就是比如说，如果我去一个海边，然后它是踩不到地的地方，我会觉得很恐怖。So you will never find me swimming in the ocean because there's tons of like creatures and sea animals in the ocean. So that's okay, not for me.所以 surfing 我觉得又很少人去做 So I'm going to tell you a question that is more useful. So ready? Go. Would you like to go out with me? Would you like to go out with me? Thanks, but I can't. I have to stay at home and do my homework. Thanks, but I can't.I have to stay at home and do my homework. Right? 这个问题很实用吧 Alright, hopefully you got it all written down. Good luck! I'm just thinking back on that bonus question. Actually, 我觉得我的答案应该是 Thanks, but I can't. I have a girlfriend 之类的，我觉得这样比较棒吧。Alright， 这个答案比较好吧。如果人家问你说 ，Hey, would you like to go out with me? No, thanks, but I can't. I have a girlfriend or boyfriend. Okay, you can say that. Alright， 怎么客气的拒绝人家。Alright， 好。Now that we're done with our student book, I want to go to the workbook. We are doing F, G, and H. Alright， 所以赶快把 workbook 拿出来了。F, G, 跟 H. I'm gonna kind of talk about it here in the video, and then you'll have to finish the rest of it by yourself. Alright, so let's start with page 12. Page 12. F, section F. So let's look at this. Oh, okay. 这个是你要把句子，它给你一些 clues, 它给你一些字，然后你要把它变成一个句子。Alright, so number 1, they have would, help, decorate, and my bedroom. Alright, here we go. 第一题 Teacher Sue 会念给你们听。第二题我要你试试看，自己试试看。Alright, so 我们这个单元的句型还记不记得都是 would 开头嘛，就是很客气的说 Would you like to da 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 da? Alright, so 1A, would you like to help me decorate my bedroom? Would you like to help me decorate my bedroom? Thanks, but I can't. I have to study for the English test. Thanks, but I can't. I have to study for the English test. Alright, hopefully you wrote that all down. 那第二题我就要你们试试看，我觉得第二题的答案更简单了啦。Alright, 第二题的答案我觉得 you guys can figure it out. Alright, so try number 2 by yourself. Going on to section G. This is you have to read the emails and then later answer questions about the emails. Incomplete sentences. 要完整句子哦。So let's talk about the emails together. Alright, first email on the left. From Tom Brown at mail.com to Gary Lee at mail.com. Hi, Gary. Would you like to go camping with my family next weekend? We'll need to take our big tent and some food. You'll need some warm clothes too. Right soon, Tom. Alright, so Gary 就回说 Hi, Tom. I'd love to go. I will take some hot dogs for dinner. I will also take my jacket and sweater. I have to go to computer class early in the morning on Monday. Will we be back in time? Gary. Alright, 所以这个他们两个人他们想要去 go camping， 然后他们在讨论说该带什么，然后天气会怎么样，然后哪时候回来。Alright, so number 1. Would Gary like to go camping with Tom's family? Alright, 在这个 email 中他一定是说怎么样，如果你有 catch 到的话 Tom when Tom wrote to Gary and then Gary replied I'd love to go 就代表说他要去嘛，所以第一题完整的句子是 Yes, he would 就这样子而已，没有那么难。 Alright, 那我既然给你第一题，那你自己就要试试看 number 2, 3, and 4. Number 2, what will Tom's family take? Okay, Tom's family 会带什么去呢？ Number 3, what does Gary have to do on Monday? 他礼拜一必须要做什么？ And number 4, what food will Gary take? 所以你赶快去找他带什么食物。 Alright? Write it in complete sentences. Next section is section H, and this is your own opinion, 你自己的意思, so there's no right or wrong answer. So for number 1, would you like to go surfing next weekend? 我刚刚不是讲说 I don't really like surfing because I don't like swimming in the ocean, 所以你知道我的答案的。我的答案应该是 Thanks, but I can't. I don't like the ocean. That's for me though. Thanks, but I can't. I don't like the ocean. Alright? So you can write your own answer. Number 2, would you like to make lemonade tomorrow? Write down your answer. 你喜欢喝柠檬汁吗？那你要一起制造柠檬汁吗？明天。Number 3, you're going to make lunch for your friend. What will you need? All right, so write down what will you need. I will need blah, 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 blah. Okay, number 4, you're going to your cousin's birthday party. What will you take? 你会带什么过去你的 cousin 的 birthday party? So again, you need to write, I'll take blah, 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 blah. That's how you would start the sentence. Okay? Now we're also done with the workbook and I'm moving on to the spotlight reading book. And we haven't talked about Unit 3 grammar part yet. So I want you to turn to page 24. 24. And 我刚好 Ladybug class 也在教这个文法现在 okay? It is, there is, there are. There is, there are 的意思就是那里有一个怎么样呢？ There is a slide at the park. Alright? 所以如果在指一个的话 you must have a. Alright? So 它如果有很多个的话 for example, there are swings. 所以你的名词要加 s 哦 alright? 而且你的 there 后面要接着 are 因为有 more than one. Okay, this is what I'm teaching my Ladybug class and I'm teaching it to you guys now or reviewing. Alright, here we go. There is 的用法 there is 是它的就是肯定句，那 there isn't 是它的否定句。Alright, here we go. 单数可数的名词 there is a pond, there is a big tree. Alright? 那不可数的呢 you cannot count, you need to use some. Okay? That's a huge one you need to remember. There is some milk, there is some rice. 然后后面都是加着地点。Alright? 例句 There isn't a coffee shop near my house. There is some water over there. Alright, again, there is some, there is some, there is some. 把这个记起来。那 there are 的用法呢，就是 more than one 嘛，对不对？所以 there are 肯定 there aren't 否定。Alright, so 复数可数的名词 there are 2 tigers, there are 2 monkeys, there are many people. 因为 people 已经是复数啦 Alright, 后面都加个地点。例句 There are 2 cats in the yard. 那当我们把句子都听完了，我们一定要学疑问句。What does the question sound like? Here we go. Okay, 单数的部分 Is there a bowl in the kitchen? Is there any food in the kitchen? 所以那里有任何厨房有任何的食物吗？所以有 is 的问题就有 is 的回答。So here we go. Yes, there is. 否定 No, there isn't. Yes, there is. No, there isn't. 那我要换成复数的问句哦。Are there any apples in the kitchen? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Are there many plates in the kitchen? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. All right, your are 的问题就有 are 的回答。All right, moving on to how many 的疑问句跟答案。All right, how many 在问到底有几个嘛？ All right, so how many toy shops are there near our school? 我们学校附近到底有几个文具店？ All right, you can say there is 1 toy shop. There are 2 toy shops. Both are okay. 重点是你的问句啊，你问 how many toy shops, 那个名词一定要加 s, 因为你不确定它是有一个还是很多个。所以如果我换一个东西也是一样，比如说 how many girls are in the class? Notice I say girls, 加 s. How many boys are there in the class? Alright? 好，例句 How many bookstores are there near our house? There are 2 bookstores near my house. homework time, and you know what I'm going to say. Your homework is on page 25 in your Spotlight Reading book. Page 25. I want you to try it. OK? 那你自己可以试试看，说我到底有没有理解这样的文法。比如说第一题 ，There a lot of juice in the refrigerator. Juice 是关键哦，不可数的。我到底要选哪一个呢？ All right. There a lot of juice in the refrigerator. So, 请你把 Part 1跟 Part 2都完成 for homework. All right? So, hopefully you will all get this done on Wednesday when I come back and make me a super happy teacher. 那 Teacher Sue 也要跟你们分享说我在美国有买了一些糖果。All right? So, 我 hopefully如果你有做的话，当然是奖励糖果啊 ，all right， 因为我觉得也还蛮好吃的。那台湾应该没有卖，So I hope you guys will do it ASAP. All right. Again, I'm gonna keep this video short and sweet. 我等一下要来剪接这些影片了。So for now, this is Teacher Sue, and I will see you guys all on Wednesday.